Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into something that all around us shaping how we learn, work and even relax: multimedia. What exactly is multimedia supply put in the combination different content form? Text, audio, image, video, animation, interactive elements. All roll into one awesome package. And in the 21st century, it's become absolutely essential. Think about learning. Remember those days of just reading textbook. Now we have interactive online courses explaining video and virtual simulation. Multimedia makes learning more engaging, caters to different learning styles, and help us grasp complex concept faster. It's not just reading about something, it's expressing it. Presentation with visual and data is more impactful than can adjust reading bullet points. A short engaging video can reach a wider audience and leave a listening impression. Multimedia help us communicate our ideas clearly, creatively, and precisely. Let's not forget accessibility. Multimedia can be designed to be inclusive for everyone. Caption and video, audio, description for the individual, inspired, and alternative text for a message. This pressure ensures that information is accessible to a wider range of people regardless of their